Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 30 minutes plus rest time 1 hour 30 minutes start to finish. Gaufres de Liège. Ingredients: 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 125 grams of soft butter, 100 milliliters of milk, 15 grams of baking powder, yeast, 1 whole egg, 5 grams of salt, a pinch of baking soda, great for better digestion, 100 grams of pearl sugar, a large splash of vanilla extract. Preparation: mix flour, 1 whole egg, 5 grams of salt, a pinch of baking soda, a large splash of vanilla extract, 15 grams of baking powder, 100 milliliters of tepid milk, 125 grams of soft butter, and mix well. Allow this mixture covered with linen to rest for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now the time came to degas the paste and mix by hand by adding 100 grams of pearl sugar. Make a ball and cut around 50 to 60 grams of smaller balls. Warm up your waffle maker until very hot. Insert 1 or 2 balls depending of your waffle maker machine capacity. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes, really depends of your waffle iron maker. The waffle should be golden and ready to eat. All ready to serve. You can freeze the unused paste for later usage. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment if you wish.